for all.
Mga kaibigan, alam niyo, the last time na nagkaroon ng double wake sa show business ay noong pong February 1992 nang namatay po si Helen Vela at ibinurol sa isang fellowship center sa Makati. And a few blocks away sa Don Bosco, Makati naman, ay doon naman dinala ang mga labi ni Gil De Leon, ang father ni Christopher De Leon. After 18 years, muli ay nangyari ito. Kabi-kabila po ang burol, ang mga lamay at sana po dito po sa Star Talk ay nananalangin kami na matapos na po ang trahedyang ito. Meanwhile, tuloy-tuloy pa din po ang pagdagsa ng mga tao, nakikiramay sa pamilya ni Francine Prieto, siyempre kina Cesar Montano na according to Geneva Cruz ay parating na at susubukan pa rin naming makakuha ng pahayag. Meanwhile, magbabalik po ang Star Talk.
My emotional state at right now, I don't really talk about my emotions to anybody.
Mahigit 2 linggo na ang nakakaraan mula nang kumpirmahin ni Geneva Cruz sa entertainment editor na si Ricky Lo ang paghiwalay nila ng asawang si Casey Montero. Subalit matapos ang eksklusibong panayam na yon ng Star Talk host, hindi na muling nagsalita pa ang singer hinggil sa issue. Tinangka ng Star Talk na kunan ito ng pahayag kamakalawa, ngunit patuloy pa rin ito sa pag-iwas.
Ay, naku, ano ba yan? Totoo. Not gonna comment.
Sa unang pagkakataon naman ay nagpaunlak ng panayam si Casey during last night's launch of U92, ang FM station kung saan siya may programa.
Yeah, I'm at peace. Probably in the next couple of days, I'll invite all of you guys and we can have a sit down and talk about it.
I know they've been having a little bit of problems here and there. I mean, I think everyone kind of knows that. But I know they've been working at it and everything like that.
The ex-couple hinted na maayos naman ang kanilang paghihiwalay at wala raw sangkot na third party sa nangyari. Geneva even told Ricky Lo, and we quote, "We still love each other very much, but then we have grown apart. God knows we tried hard to save our marriage."
Whatever happens, no matter what happens, me and Geneva will be really good friends for as long as we live. Talked to her earlier. We've been best friends for 10 years. Why not?
Handa na ba siyang makipag-date sa ibang babae ngayon?
No, dating is not on my mind.
Nagsama sa iisang bubong sina Casey at Geneva ng 4 na taon before finally tying the knot in simple rites last January 5, 2004 in Seattle, Washington. Walang naging supling ang mag-asawa, bagamat super close kay Casey si Heaven, ang 14-year-old son ni Geneva sa former boyfriend nitong si Paco Arespacochaga.
He's my son. I take care of him like he's my son, and he calls me dad. That's all that matters to me. I love him, he loves me. He's got a great family with him, a lot of people that love him, so custody is just a paperwork, and we don't need that.
They are the newest and hottest girl group.